Big miss on the jobs report Friday. There was an anticipated number of 1 million new jobs in the month of April, 1 to 1.5 million, and the actual new jobs added was 266,000. So big disappointment. NASDAQ futures are up big. S&P futures are up a little bit, and bonds are up. We'll look at gold as well. Why do markets go up on bad news? Anticipation that the interest rates will remain lower. The Fed will remain more accommodative to the stock market, equity markets, if there is still bad news in the economy. The stay-at-home stocks maybe are up because of that. And so big jump in the NASDAQ futures. We see a big jump in gold as well. We'll go over that in a minute. It's still pre-market, 38 minutes until the stock market actually opens. So we'll see what happens during the day. Should be interesting. It could be one of those days where the market gaps up and goes sideways, or there could be some more action. We'll see. I want to go over the live trades. We talked yesterday also about how the selling feels like it's done. And so yesterday it did feel like the selling was done. Sellers were weak and kind of ran out of steam, and the market rallied into the close yesterday. You see that here, and then sideways tonight. Job market, jobs data, and this is the NASDAQ. So we look a lot at the NASDAQ because it really, the trends are more extreme. You can see them sometimes more than you can see them in the S&P. The S&P is a little more stealth on the trends sometimes, and in the NASDAQ you can see them. And sometimes they're not correlated. Many times they are. So let's look at the live trades on the 200K portfolio in a situation like the jobs report. So here is an example of the 200K portfolio on a VPS and TradeStation 10. 60-minute breakout on the E-mini S&P is still long. 60-minute breakout in Q. Did a very quick $1,500 trade. This one's gone through a losing streak. Big breakout. Hit that $1,500 profit target in just a few minutes. So that was nice to capture. Silver got long before the news and hit its profit target. This is one of those trades where you wish you had a much bigger profit target. Cobra Gold is long. You see the big move in the metals, big surge higher in the metals. Energies, not so much. You don't see a whole lot going here. Energies are down so far on the day in the overnight session. Soybeans, no price movement. Soybeans are closed at this time. They close at, if you look at the 24-hour chart, soybeans close at 7:45 Central, and they reopen at 8:30. So for 45 minutes, there's a 45-minute period where soybeans are closed in pre-market. And those are the trading system signals. You see gold is up 440 on the trade. S&Ps are up 700. And we had a quick trade in the NQ once again. So good pop in the markets. Good for the 200K portfolio. We don't believe in going flat on economic data. There are times when it goes for us and sometimes it goes against us. And it is fast, but our stops are big enough. And we see positive results today on this jobs report based on the trades that we're looking at.